In the world of aquaponics, there are only a few heavyweights that command respect and have really put in the time to help hobbyists out. One of them is John Fay, the author of Aquaponics For You. Aquaponics For You is a guide that teaches you how to build your first aquaponics system set up from scratch on a budget. Most beginners get scared off by aquaponics due to the sheer complexity of it all, which is where Aquaponics For You comes in to offer assistance. Click the link in the description below this video for details. It's a written guide and video tutorial series that shows you every single step to take to set up a simple, functional aquaponics system. The creator of the system is John Fay, who is a certified organic farmer and aquaponics expert who's been at it for years. His presentation style is super friendly on the video instructions and makes a very strong case for moving to aquaponics from hydroponics. It doesn't matter what you grow, whether you're an experienced green thumb or if you're just getting into it, anyone can do this. It's easy. And you can do it too. Countless farms and gardens are now switching over to aquaponics. The benefits are just too many. In fact, if you care about your garden and your family, you cannot afford not to set up your first aquaponics system as soon as possible. Don't wait until your neighbor is putting one together and you're playing catch up. Aquaponics For You manual is the step-by-step instructions to build your first aquaponics system, also includes essential info on how to maintain your system, which is crucial for a first-time grower. Aquaponics For You offers a step-by-step video instructions. Some people learn better by watching. Watch John build his aquaponics system and follow along in the video series. One of the wonderful things about this particular guide was the massive amount of extra bonuses John throws in for free. If you've been curious about aquaponics for a while now but just haven't pulled the trigger, you're not going to find a more comprehensive guide to get you up and running without doing hours and hours of research than Aquaponics For You. It's cheap and gets you set up and growing as fast as humanly possible. John makes it straightforward, simple, and fun, while making sure you're armed with the information you need to have a successful aquaponic garden. Click the link in the description below this video for details.